Hello, my name is Robert Aldrich, and I am Cisco's Principal for Energy Efficient Solutions, currently focused on data center. I'm here in Orlando at Cisco Live 2008, working with our top customers and trying to figure out how we can adopt sustainability throughout IT operations. One of the things we announced here at Cisco Live was the Efficiency Assurance Program. This is an iterative reference and planning site that we've designed with Web 2.0 in mind, and we released it as a public beta today. This site is mainly geared towards IT professionals learning more about some of the key facilities issues that impact operative efficiency for data centers. We've grouped this site into three main areas: a learning center, planning tool section, and an advanced services area as well. And the reason we've done that is in working with customers for about the last 2 years, in my tenure as a greenie, we've uncovered that most data center operations may not have the skill sets needed to drive up their operative efficiency. In fact, many of our customers can't even answer the question, how efficient is their data center? This is where the advanced services come in to help you achieve a green agenda through your IT operations. We'll expose that as well as new planning tools as they come available through the Efficiency Assurance Program. And please come by, take a look, give your feedback. You'll find it at www.cisco.com/go/efficiency. Thanks for listening. Talk to you soon.